Hello, and welcome to the official YouTube channel of the band Worship Calling. This is the place, as well as all other major digital platforms like iTunes and Spotify, that you can find all our commercially released music. I'm Nathan Connor, and on this channel we don't just bring you the music, we also dive deep into the world of worship, guitar. So join me as we explore the tools and techniques that I pray will elevate your modern worship. And today we are going to talk about the Glooper. So with this latest release from the Tone Master Pro, we got an original pedal that is on the firmware release 1.4.74. We got a new original pedal called the Glooper, which is a glitchy looper delay. So let's jump over to Pro Control. We'll take a look at this bad boy. And it's just, it's cool. It's got some mixed reviews. Some people love it. Some people feel like it was maybe kind of a waste of time to create, that it's kind of gimmicky. So you can kind of, you hear the glitchy, the loopy, or the looping delay, right? So there's a ton of stuff on it. And so when I first heard it, the thing it reminded me immediately of, it doesn't sound exactly the same, but it reminded me of the I think it was called the psychedelic delay in one of the early releases of Native Instruments Guitar Rig, which is what I used to use before the Helix floor. And what I used that for was for my ambient tones. And so that's immediately what I gravitated towards. So I threw it here. As you guys all know by now, I run the instrument and mic parallel paths. So in this path here, I know this is a repeat and a recap, but just in case you haven't seen any of my videos or checked out any of my presets, I run all my ambient effects in here. And then on the splitter, I've got that assigned to the expression pedal. And so I can blend my ambient tone in and out as I play. I can increase it, decrease it. And that's the way I've done it for years, and I love it. So that's what I'll continue to do. So I immediately went in and created what I'm using for my ambient undertone. It's just kind of this lower, under the surface, just kind of, I don't know, just kind of fills out a little bit. It's not real heavy, but it just kind of fills in. And so that's just the Glooper. That's what I'm getting with just the Glooper using my new setting, or the setting I'm using. I do kind of like using this time signature, and then obviously I'm just tapping my tempo on the Tone Master Pro to match the BPM of the song. And you kind of hear it's just kind of this lower frequency, just kind of filler a little bit. And it sounds really cool when I feed it into my large hall reverb, which is the primary driver for my ambient tones. Works great with chords. Even works kind of cool with just like single note droning, just single note. Anyway, I like it. It's just kind of this nice little lower frequency feel that's happening when I do that. And so what I actually have, how I have this set up is on the toe switch of my expression pedal is the Glooper. So I don't use it all the time, but if I'm just wanting to add just a little more and I'm already fully in full wet ambient, I just click that toe switch on the expression pedal and kick that Glooper on and get that cool So, anyway, that's what I'm doing. I like it. I like adding that and using that for the ambient. Just kind of fill it out a little bit. So, anyway, I version number all my, I shouldn't say all my presets, but most of them that I know are I'm going to continue to tweak and change over time. I usually version them. So I do have this updated. This is kind of my main electric preset, the Blonde 65 Deluxe, and this is version 1.4. That will be in the cloud, so you can download that, see what you think of the Glooper. Probably going to dive more into some overdrives at some point. Kind of want to tweak that a little more. I like my compressor. I did a video on that. I'm liking the compressor so far, so I'll just keep tweaking and having fun, and invite you guys along and see what you think. So, download that preset, check it out, see what you think of the Glooper, using it as kind of an undertone for your ambient tones. I think it works. I think it works very well. It adds a lot. And yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think. Make every strum count. We'll see you guys later.